You talk out, don't mind my hair. It's a little messed up, but and we late night cooking because it was a lot going on. But today, well, right now we making shrimp and broccoli. I was gonna make macaroni and cheese, rice and gravy, broccoli, and baked chicken, but that's another time. I think I'm gonna do that tomorrow. Right now I'm washing my shrimps. Washing them. Well, you know what? They still go frozen, but they come around. This is my first time making this. I saw it on Instagram or TikTok. I think TikTok. And I was like, oh, that looked good. I want to make it. My broccoli is already on. It's steaming right now. I'm going to steam the pot. This is the Quets way. Cooking with Quets. Cooking with Quets. Wash my hands because I just was getting in my hair. Gotta be sanitized. Chicken broth. My chicken stock. And my sweet sauce. There's a lot of shrimp, so I'll definitely. I'll right here. Just get it. Cause I was just gonna get some rice and broccoli with a piece of chicken. Sweet sauce. There's a lot of shrimps. Then you got the oyster sauce. Pepper flakes. Honey. Slight brown sugar. And after that, I go. What the other one at? You don't have to pour it all this.
All you want a little bit of bread.
Stop. Yeah, empty. Just watch a movie. While I'm doing that, when you get dressed, I'm gonna make it for you. By the time you get dressed, you gotta taste it. It's someone else's, please. No, you taste it. All right, sit up. Sit up. Sit up.
Movie.
Come here.